friends, we will get nice color combination and multicolor combination of checks pattern we will get from this Kanjivaram sarees. It is based on total lightweight Banarasi sarees.
International Fame Award 2021. The journey of International Fame Awards.
International Fame Award is for the best and most fashionable sari manufacturing company in Surat, Gujarat. Ishita House Factory. I like to call Mr. Sunil Patil.
So friends, today's collection starting from only 199 rupees here starting price. Especially it is a total based on silk like butter silk pattern, and observe this elegant border like contrast combination of red with yellow, multicolor combination of beautiful border we will get from this saree. And see this is the blouse piece of this saree, and we will get and contrast based. And move forward to see the next collection. See this beautiful catalog collection, and now we are so trending in big border combination of catalogs. And observe this multiple color combination with so many people like to wear this kind of bright color combination like green, purple and black color combination. And we will get 6 pieces combo pack from this catalog. And now I will show some sarees from this catalog. See this, now we are watching this saree like a silver weaving, like total entire saree we will get silver weaving. And observe this elegant border looking like so gorgeous and amazing border like. And we will get a pattern of checks pattern also, an entire saree like this. And we will get different color and different designs from this catalog. Let's see the next catalog. And see this elegant border catalog like this. This is a like gifted saree, wedding saree like this. And we will get different color with different design combination of big border combination. Now I open this saree and show this saree. And let's see the grey with pink combination of super saree. This is like total silver weaving like different design combination. And observe this rich pallu. See this rich pallu with big border combination, so highlight and elegant like border also. Now big border so trending like this, so most of the customers like to prefer this kind of sarees friends. And let's see the next collection of this is so pretty and so elegant saree like this. Here observe mirror work also available, and with checks pattern with golden multicolor combination of here work available friends. See this total weaving like. And we will get like this kind of checks pattern like border also so different. And contrast combination of blouse and pallu you will get from this saree. So let's see the next collection of this is like Maharashtra traditional saree. See observe this pallu is so different, and 3 color combination of border we will get from this saree. And this is the pallu part. And let's see the entire saree like this, and contrast combination of border also we will get from this saree. And small butties like small butties and border also, and ending part also so beautiful and so different. Let's see the next collection. This is a boutique collection. Observe this elephant design border, so nice and boutique combination. And this is the pallu part, and with heavy jalar we will get from this saree. See this is like so super, and combination is so nice, and especially in two color combination. And this is also catalog, friends. We will get different color and different design combination. And observe this brocade pattern blouse also, so nice. And observe this is like beautiful, and we will get contrast combination of blouse, and entire saree we will get like this. And let's see the next collection, friends. This is like so super and elegant border, like silver combination with golden combination and multicolor combination of weaving we will get from this saree. And observe this entire saree like this, and especially this is the highlight of border combination. We will get silver combination of this is not a catalog, we will get in different color wise, but here we have different designs also. This is total based on linen cotton, and most of the people like to wear this kind of linen pattern especially in summer. And let's see the next collection of Banarasi, beautiful Banarasi lightweight saree, especially two color combination we will get from this saree, like golden with heavy red color. And see this, observe this small booties also here available. And let's see the ending part is so highlight than sarees. See this ending part so highlight, and total golden weaving, and entire saree like this, friends. See, and entire saree like this one, and every saree we will get contrast combination of blouse. So most of the customer like to wear only contrast combination of blouse. Why? Because it is like beautiful. So let's see the next collection of Banarasi pattern. See this is a lightweight Banarasi, and cloth also so smooth and elegant. And see, observe this border also contrast combination of border, and we will get some flower design also here available. And see this is a brocade blouse and contrast combination of blouse we will get. And let's see the border also so elegant, like a different combination of border we will get from this saree. And let's see, this is a total lightweight based saree. Let's see the next collection of beautiful sarees. So see this, friend, this is like checks pattern, like multi combination of color we will get from this saree, like blue and pink. And total this is bright combination of golden weaving we will get from this saree. And see, this is like grand and gifted saree and wedding saree, somebody calling Kanjivaram sarees and Pattu sarees and Banarasi sarees. See this is like so elegant and beautiful saree. And this is like blouse, and this is the pallu part. See, this pallu is so highlighted than saree. And we have a beautiful collections, friends. We not only have pattu sarees like Banarasi and catalog saree, we also have some beautiful sarees of daily wear sarees and catalog sarees and work sarees, all collections like dresses, kurtis and Banarasi catalogs, and like lehengas also at one place at Ishita House Factory Outlet. So don't be late, let's see the collection. If you want to start the new business, please contact our details given on the screen. So friends, here minimum order starting from 20,000 to 25,000. Here cash on delivery also available, and we have a transport facility at all over India, friends. If you want to start the new business, and if you wanted to get the ideas and how you can start the business and how you can add the margin from each sarees, and you have to get all ideas. And here no any languages issue, friends. Here Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, English, all languages people here available. I hope you guys this video is so informative for you. If anybody new to watch this video, please subscribe our channel, share, like and comment. Don't forget to press the bell icon, then you will get the all notifications from our channel. We will meet in next video. Until then, bye friends.